Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video we will be doing an IPSY unboxing for the month of February. So I have the IPSY box right here. I already have it kind of opened, so I can't really turn it, but yeah, you guys, this is the box. So I'm excited to see what's in this IPSY Glam box. I know I haven't done a dedicated IPSY unboxing in a while, but I will link the other video up above here, and I'll also link some videos where I included IPSY boxings in like vlogs and stuff down below. So before we hop into the unboxing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. Would love that for you. Would also love that for me, but for you more importantly. And also make sure you hit that bell notification button. All right, y'all. So first things first, you know we love IPSY. IPSY gets me right, okay? I don't think I've ever been done wrong by IPSY. IPSY get me right every time. Yes, it does. I'm just trying to. They always have like this packing foam in it, and it just be so big. I know you guys can you even see it? Yeah, you can kinda. I don't want you guys to be able to see that on the film, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Right, you guys, so this month's theme is Send Love. I hope you can see it and it's not too bright, but it is February 2021's box, and it says all you need is love, and maybe a little lipstick too, okay? Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy, beauty, splurges, extra whipped cream, yellow, glossy red nails. You deserve it all. So we love that. February's theme is Send Love, aka Valentine's Day, okay? Makes sense. This is the first little bag. You guys, how cute is this? And this is even the cutest part. Look. Sealed with a kiss. It's like a letter, right? So this is like the little front side of the letter, and then that's the seal on the letter with literally a kiss. This is the shape of a lip, not lips, in the shape of a lip on the back, and it's gold. And I love this little bag. I think it's so adorable. Y'all know that this low key is my favorite part. Not really, but for real, I am in love with the bags every single month that IPSY sends out. So this will be the bag that you would get if you get the first tier of the IPSY Glam Bag, which is really cute. And like I always suggest, you can use these for traveling, to like put makeup in. You can throw them in your purse so your makeup doesn't spill all over the place. You can use it for pencils. You can use it for art supplies. You can use it for anything. I think these little bags are so convenient. So in the first tier of the IPSY membership, you would get all travel size products. So that is what is in here. So first we have, what is this? Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. So tiny. It's a cleansing balm. Okay. So I would use this to like pre-cleanse my face, I believe. Let's see. Okay, so it's more like a moisturizing balm after I read the instructions. So you can also probably use it to wash makeup off, but it does say it's supposed to be moisturizing on the skin on the back. But usually pre-cleansers like can be used to remove makeup, right? So that's first. Then we got another little baby thing. Oh, look, my hand's way too big for these products. Y'all, done by my nails. I'm doing my Valentine's Day nails, so they're real crusty right now. Hands are real dry. So next we have a Glam Glow Bright Eyes Cream. It's the Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. We love a good eye cream. Ooh, oh wow. This is a really thick eye cream too. You know how most eye creams kind of just feel like lotions? This one kind of feels like a lip balm. Like it's hard. Like when I put my finger in here, it doesn't just instantly give away. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, and then the top has the little Glam Glow star on it. Next thing we got in our little travel bag is the Matte Fluid Eye Paint from About Face. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Wow, I really love like this packaging. This is so dope. It says About Face on the one side, and then like it's just really cool packaging. It's like so like futuristic and like square, and like I don't know, it's so different, I feel like, than what like a lot of people are doing now. But it's an eye paint. I've never used an eye paint before, I don't think. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. It's a really pretty color. It's a really pretty color. It's a really pretty color. I'm gonna say it again. Can y'all see that? Like I want it to focus. Look at how pretty this color is. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's literally almost the exact same shade of this tube, which is really cool because you know a lot of times they be way off. This literally is the exact shade. I love that for them. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be trying this because I've never used a fluid eye paint. That's so dope. And it's matte though, so it's gonna dry down matte. I love that. All right, we got 2 more things in our little travel size bag. The next thing we got is the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. And it's just a little eyeshadow duo. So it has 2 colors in it. And it has pretty much a trend. You guys, if I'm squinting, it's because the camera is so far from me. And even with contacts in, my vision is still not perfect because I have astigmatism. So sometimes I still squint, but I'm trying not to, so ignore it if it's happening. But it has the perfect transition shade and then a shimmer. So I would literally throw this in my purse. And if I ever need to do like a quick eyeshadow look, this is the perfect little thing to go in a purse. Like, you feel me? Transition, boom, 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 little shimmer on the lid. And you got yourself a little eye look with one little mini palette. Again, great for traveling, perfect for the purse. And the last thing we have in here is the Bite Beauty, what is this? Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in the shade Strawberry Froze. You guys, do you see how little this is? Like, look at how little this is. Like, this is a pinky, my pinky at least. It's smaller than my pinky. It's a little mini little lip balm. How cute is that? The shade, I doubt you'll be able to see it. Let me see if it'll swatch. Oh, it'll swatch. Okay, it's pretty bright. I honestly didn't think it was gonna be that bright. I thought it was gonna be more of like a shimmer. So this is the swatch over here. It's very bright, very magenta. I feel like this will look really pretty with like a brown liner and just putting this in like the center of your lips. And it also seems like it'll be very moisturizing. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be like drying at all. So we love that. Okay, so that was all that was in this cute little bag. I can't get over it. I feel like it's so cute. And then with the theme, talking about some send love. Send love? And it's like a letter? So cute. Okay, anyway, on to the next product. So this would be in your next tier of your IPSY Glam Bag, because there are 3. I do explain them in the initial video I did unboxing my IPSY box. So if you guys want to go and see some more information about that, check it out. I'm also going to go ahead and put in the description box a link to IPSY's website explaining the tier situation, the costs, all that good stuff. Okay, so the next thing I got is a brush by IT Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. It is the Heavenly Skin foundation brush, I believe. I literally, every single time I go to Sephora, when I was like younger and would go to Sephora, I would always play with the IT Cosmetics brushes because they felt so soft. And when I tell you guys, this literally feels like a soft little cat. Like, it's so soft. Like, I feel like this is gonna make my makeup look so I can imagine now. I feel like it's gonna make my face look so perfect. And then if you can see like the angle of the brush, it kind of like has a little divot on the inside, and I feel like that's really gonna allow a good even coat of foundation on your face. I cannot wait to use this brush. I'm gonna be doing like a video of me using 100% new products, probably 1 video after this, 2 videos maybe. So if you guys want to see me like use this, I already plan to do it, and a lot of other new products that I may get today. Definitely stay tuned, okay? Definitely hit that subscribe button then if you want to see that. All right, next we have the Golden Fatten MD Solution Vital Boost for even skin tone daily moisturizer. Oh, this is what I need. This is what I need. Y'all know I struggle with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone and all that stuff. This is really perfect. It says oh wow, I wonder if they have other ones, other versions, because it says right here in like the green, it says problem, uneven skin tone. Like they might have other ones that say problem, dryness, problem. I don't know what else they'd have, but the way that it's set up on this packaging is making me think that it has other things. I can't wait to use this. It's just a little moisturizer, but I feel like that's perfect because IPSY is so curated to you. It knows exactly what you need. You know what? That might be really why it's never a miss when I get my IPSY Glam Bags. Y'all, I've said this forever, that it's never a miss. There's never a product I don't like when I get these boxes, but duh, like I totally forgot that you take a curated quiz when you sign up and they send products curated to what you like. So I'm not gonna get anything I don't like. This is awesome, I love. Duh, how did I forget that? That's kind of dumb. All right, so the next thing we have is a strengthening mascara by Item. And that's kind of really cool. Like the packaging is almost like, I don't even know how I would describe it. The packaging is kind of like evidence bags, if you will. Like that's the vibe I get from it. Just a bag. And then the mascara in a little silver metallic tube. Let's see what this wand looks like. Oh, okay. I love this wand. It has a super tiny bristles. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try to hold it over here. I know you can't see it up close, but if you can just see, it doesn't really have like big bristles. So I feel like this will be perfect for like getting my bottom lashes. Y'all know I love me a bottom mascara. Y'all know I love it. So I feel like that'll be really cute. So next thing we have is Tokyo Milk Light and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream. Did I just say my hands was dry and crusty and that I needed some lotion? Did not say that. They heard me. Oh wow, look at that packaging. That's so cute. It like slides out. Love that for them. And it's a little hand cream on here. Bad boy. Oh no, we didn't. I can tell by squeezing the bottle that this hand cream is about to hook me up. And it's a shea butter hand cream. No, I love me some shea butter. It has the number 1 on the back, so that wants to make me think that they have other scents or other lotions. I'm gonna open this right now because, like I said, my hands is ashy and I wanna see how this lotion feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my hand. Just a little dime size. Y'all, my battery just died, so sorry, y'all didn't get to see me rub the hand lotion in, but it makes my hands feel real soft, okay? Just know that. All right, next product we got is the Mielle Sun-Kissed Blush. I feel like my camera's turned now, but I just went and messed with it. Let me center myself. Okay, better. But it's the Mielle Sun-Kissed Blush, and it says sunset-inspired glow all day long. So let's see what this one talking about. Oh, this is such cute packaging. Do you see this? Love that. And then, oh, okay, for one, I just love the mirror. Like, do you see this whole little thing as a mirror? I just wanna carry this around with me. This is such a perfect clear mirror. And then this is all blush. So cute. I wanna like swatch the colors. Ooh, they're like illuminating blush too, so you don't have to use a highlighter. I don't know if you can see it on my fingers. You wouldn't have to use a highlighter with this. You could just, you know, get a little color and highlight at the same time. Love this. The mirror is really what's doing it for me. I feel like this is I'm gonna have to bring this whenever I go anywhere, just for the mirror, because it's so clear and like, I don't know. It's something about a good, clear, square mirror that do it for me. I don't know what it is. All right, y'all, and we're coming to the end. So next we have IPSY's refreshment line. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but IPSY, I don't know if it's like a partnering brand or whatever, but they launched a new company called Refreshment. And before, I had got some like hand cream, some facial wipes, and I think like one other thing. I can't remember what it was, but now they sent me some shaving cream, which is the Pillowy Shave Cream with the citrus spritz. Oh, it's not opened. But yeah, a shaving cream, and their lotion felt really good. So I really feel like this is gonna feel really nice and soothing as well. And they also sent me a 5-blade razor kit. So it literally goes together. I wanna open this, but I feel like my camera's gonna die again. So I'm really trying to hurry up, you guys. I don't know if y'all can tell I'm going a lot faster because I'm trying to hurry up and film this video before my camera dies in. But yeah, it has a razor in here, 2 blade refills, and then the little, oh, it has like a little stand so you can like suction it to the wall in your shower. This is perfect because this is kind of similar to what is it? What brand is it? Flamingo. They have like the reusable razors, so I really love that. I hope I can buy refills for the blades. Yeah, I really hope I can because that'll be perfect. And then the refreshment stuff always comes in this cute little bag, which is like their little like signature pattern. So that came in there. And lastly, you guys, we have the IPSY Glam Bag. Oh my god, I never can say that right. The IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This is the bag you'd get if you were that tier at IPSY. It has a whole bunch of the cute lips all over it in gold, and it's that same color. I'm gonna put the other bag right next to it just so you guys can see the bags. I feel like these are so cute. I absolutely love them. Love them, love them. Thank you, IPSY, so much. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna conclude the video for today. I hope that you enjoyed this February unboxing for the IPSY Glam Bag. And also thank you to IPSY for sending over all of these goodies. I absolutely appreciate you guys so much. And I absolutely love every single product y'all ever sent my way. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this video or any future video ideas you guys would like. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.